Hey everyone! Welcome back to Seoul. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these colorful paper flowers. They're super easy and fun to create, and you can use them in so many ways, like decorating your walls, brightening up celebration cards, or even adding a touch of handmade beauty to your gifts. So let's get started and bring these lovely flowers to life.